Hello there. Welcome to our comprehensive ETABS tutorial series. My name is Vijay Solanki and I am excited to guide you through this journey of mastering ETABS, one of the most powerful tools for structural analysis and design. ETABS, which stands for Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of Building Systems, is a product developed by Computers and Structures Incorporation. It's widely used by civil and structural engineers for the design and analysis of buildings and other structures. Whether you are working on simple residential buildings or complex high-rise structures, ETABS offers a range of tools to help you efficiently manage your projects from the concept to completion. Let's take a quick look at some of the key features that make ETABS a preferred choice for engineers around the world. First is integrated modeling and design. ETABS integrates modeling, analysis, and design capabilities, allowing you to seamlessly transition between these stages. Analysis, design of results, design, and detailing options are given in the ETABS itself. Comprehensive load analysis supports a wide range of load types, including static, dynamic, wind, and seismic loads, ensuring that your structures can withstand various forces. Let's open a basic model so that we can understand what the program is capable of. And we will the sample. Let's say design examples of cut stack or IS or IS plus. We're just opening and we are just opening a basic model just to let you know what ETABS is capable of. This is the basic interface of ETABS. As we have mentioned, it has integrated modeling and design options. This defined and pro gives you the modeling techniques. This assignment gives you all the assignments to give you an option to assign loads and everything to the structure model. These are the analysis options. In this you will get the display of results. You can design steel frame, concrete frame, composite frames, etc. You can detail out the structures accordingly. ETABS is capable of advanced analysis techniques. ETABS offers advanced analysis options such as P-delta analysis, response spectrum analysis, time history analysis. You can see P-delta options, response spectrum functions, and time history functions from here. User-friendly interface. With its intuitive graphical user interface, ETABS makes it easy to create, modify, and visualize your models. Importance of ETABS for engineers. Now you might wonder why ETABS is so important for structural engineers. Firstly, saves time. With its integrated tools, you can perform analysis and design tasks more quickly and accurately compared to manual methods or less specialized software. Secondly, it enhances precision. The detailed analysis capabilities of ETABS allows you to identify potential issues early in the design process, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. Lastly, it supports compliance with design codes. ETABS includes built-in support for various international design codes, helping you ensuring your design meets regulatory requirements. You look at this concrete frame design. It supports a wide range of codes to support the design. What to expect in this series? In this tutorial series, we will cover everything you need to know to become proficient in it. From basic modeling techniques to advanced analysis and design features, we will guide you step by step through each process. Whether you are a beginner just getting started or an experienced engineer looking to deepen your knowledge, this series has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us in this introduction to ETABS. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. In the next video, we will walk you through the interface of ETABS. See you there. Thank you.